Hey YouTube, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Aquadad. What you're getting ready to see is me put together a 1-gallon hexagon color fusion Tetra starter kit. Let's get into it. Hey YouTube, as you can see, this came with no gravel, no heater, no accessories. You have to provide that yourself. However, for this video, I have that covered. This is what we have. Okay, this is what we're looking like with everything that's rinsed off, including hands. Aquadad tip. Anything that's going into your aquarium, rinse it off first. Never use soap. And that includes washing your hands. Okay, what's about to happen here is I'm about to connect both tubings to both check valves. we doing here is connecting the check valve tube to the air pump. Add the filter cartridge. Don't forget to rinse it off. That's very important. And we're also going to see if this log fits too. As you can see, the log couldn't fit. It's too big. So I grabbed something a little bit smaller right out of the tank that I already have running, which will help with beneficial bacteria. Okay, this is the part that we all been waiting for. Let's fill it up with some water. Room temperature water. Or if you already have a tank running, you can use the water right out of that aquarium as well. Let's plug this nano up and see if it works. As you can see, it had appeared that things wasn't working like the bubbler and the filter. But what you need to do is you need to open up the check valves. That allows the air to travel from the air pump to the places that is needed, like the bubbler and the filter. The more you open it, the more pressure you allow to push through. To make my filter a little bit better, what I did was I cut a piece of flue sponge and I'm adding 2 bio rings. This should allow me to capture more waste and my filter should last a little longer. Alright, I'll get that tip. There you have it, people. The aquarium is up and going. It's flowing. Now, what I say is, just give it a day or two before you add your fish. Okay? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.